Good morning, children. Today we can study EVS. On the last class we studied about some animals, right? Animals lives on land, lives in water, right? Children, today we can study domestic animals. What, children? Domestic animals. All of you look at the board. Domestic animals. D-O-M-E-S-T-I-C. Domestic animals. Children, have you heard the word domestic animals? Domestic animals are animals that are kept on farms or near our homes are called domestic animals. Children, you can see some animals in our home, right? Which animals? Look at the board. Cat, dog, cow, goat, horse, donkey. Okay, children, these are animals which lives in our home, right? They are called domestic animals. All of you together with me say domestic animals. All animals that kept on our farms, on paddy fields. We use domestic animals, cow, right? So children, all animals that kept on farms or near our homes are called domestic animals. Children, look at the picture. You can see some domestic animals. Cat, dog, cow, goat, horse, donkey, etc. Children, next we can study pet animals. We studied domestic animals. Animals that live in our home are called domestic animals, right? Pet animals. Who are pet animals? A pet animal is an animal that lives with us in our home as our friend. Children, pet animal lives in our home. They lives in our home like our friend, right? You all have pet animals in your home. Puppy, small kitten, all, right? All these are our pet animals. Pet animals depend on their owners for food, shelter and protection. Children, you all have small cat or dog in your home, right? We will give food for them, right? Food, shelter. We give shelter for our pet animals and we protect our pet animals from wild animals, right? So, pet animals are animals that live in our home as a friend. Okay, children? Children, so dog is a pet animal, right? Dog is a pet animal. Dogs are called man's best friend. Dogs are man's best friend. They guard our home, right? They protect our home from thieves. During the night time and all, a dog will bark, right? A dog will protect us from strangers and thieves. So children, dogs are called man's best friend. They guard the house and bark at the strangers. If any people that were not familiar to us, when they came to our beggars and all came to our home, the dog will bark, right? So our dog will guard our home. Next, children, one pet animal is cat. What did cat do? Most cats are very friendly by nature. They like fish and milk. They catch and kill mice for food. Children, cats are very friendly. Cats are very friendly to us, and cat will catch mice, right? Look at the picture. You can see cat catch mice. Okay, cat will catch mice. Also, cat loves to eat fish and milk, right? Whenever our mama is doing cooking by nature, they like fish. Okay, they like to eat fish and milk. They catch and kill mice for food. They catch and kill mice. Okay. Next is parrot, children. You all like parrot. Parrot is very beautiful bird, right? What is the color of the parrot? Parrot is green in color, right? Parrots are generally green in color. They use their beak to feed on seeds, nuts and fruits. Parrot loves to eat with what all things? Fruits, nuts, seeds. How the parrot eats food? Using the beak, red beak. You can see red beak, right? Red beak. They can be trained to mimic or imitate human voice. Children, you all heard in some house the parents are trained to imitate the voice of the people in the home, right? So children, all these are our pet animals. Dog, cat, parrot. Next is fish. Turn the page, fish. Goldfish are most common pet fish. They live in water. Other common pet fish are fighter fish, mollies, angelfish. Okay. There are other animals that can be kept as pets. Children, you like fish, right? Look at this. You can see globe. You can see a small aquarium, right? You can see fish in it, right? So golden fish are the most common pet fish. You all have golden fish in your home, right? Golden fish are most common pet fish. Golden fish live in water. All fish live in water. Here, golden fish live in water. Other common pet fish are which? Fighter, mollies, angelfish. Okay, children, all these are our pet animals. Children, all of you look at the picture.
Children, we studied about domestic animals. Now look at the picture of cat. Cat is a domestic animal. Next, you can see the picture of a dog. Dog is also a domestic animal. Next, look, you can see the picture of a cow. Cow is also a domestic animal. Next, look at the picture. You can see the picture of a goat. Goat gives us milk, right? Goat is also a domestic animal. Next, look, you can see the picture of a horse, right? Horse is used for riding, right? Horse is also a domestic animal. Next, look at the picture. You can see the picture of a donkey, right? Donkey is also a domestic animal to carry goods. Children, we studied about pet animals also. All these are pet animals. You can see the picture of a parrot. Parrot is also a pet animal. Next, you can see the picture of a beautiful fish, right? Fighter fish, right? Fish is also a pet animal. Okay.